Hey everyone, want to share your content on Bilibili? Here's how to upload and share videos on Bilibili. Let's get started. First, open your Bilibili app and log in, and here, tap the plus icon at the bottom center. Then, select the upload video and pick a video from your gallery or record a new one. And add a clear title, write a short description, choose a cover image, and set the category like it's a vlog, game, or tutorial. Then, you can choose to make the video public or private, or you can even schedule a release time. And once everything looks good, tap submit or publish to upload your video. And after uploading, tap share to copy your link or send it to social media chats or stories. And that's it. You're now a Bilibili creator. Stay consistent, use a good thumbnail, and interact with viewers to grow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.